Due to several requests and because of my recent flair, we have decided to bring back our What's for Dinner Darling series in order to share some of our recipes we have recreated over the years to heal our gut, which is where 80% of the immune system resides. Although there are many steps involved when it comes to optimum health, in our opinion, it is not possible to ignore nutrition when trying to optimize your health or reverse any type of chronic illness. That is why this week's episode will be about potentially the number one food to incorporate into your diet on a daily basis in order to repair a leaky gut, digestion, the microbiome, and ultimately your immune system. This food is absolutely necessary for fending off infections, illnesses, proper absorption, toxic environmental factors, mental and learning disabilities, just to name a few. In our opinion, the immune system cannot be repaired without first addressing the inner ecosystem of the body, and just one way to do that is through re-inoculating your gut with multiple strains of good bacteria and beneficial yeasts. In order to heal my last Crohn's colitis flare, I was consuming various foods within this category with each of my meals, which is one of the ways I was able to heal my gut in such a short amount of time, along with taking a broad-spectrum digestive enzyme. Here are just some of this food's benefits. Provides gut health promoting beneficial bacteria, increases the bioavailability of minerals, provides beneficial enzymes, increases vitamin B, biotin, and folic acid, improves your immune system function to help with healing and repair, restores a natural gut flora after taking antibiotics, prevents allergies and food sensitivities, improves mental health, mood, and behavior in both children and adults, eases PMS symptoms, reduces your risk of brain diseases, has an antioxidant and detoxifying effect, drastically reduces constipation or diarrhea, reduces your risk of infections, reduces your risk of obesity, improves inflammatory conditions such as ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, and IBS, reduces your risk of H. pylori as well as female genital tract and urinary infections, lowers your risk of both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. On today's episode of What's for Dinner, Darling, Kevin will be showing you how to make fermented vegetables using a controlled starter. Bon appetit! Are you happy? Ew!